doing some questions here on different ways of earning money. First example here concerns piece rate. Talia picks blueberries, and the more she picks, the more she earns. She gets paid $2.20 per kilogram. You have to work out her weekly wage. The easiest way to do this, I think, would be to total the number of kilograms that she picks in a week. So add all those together. Now, I've done this beforehand, so I know that the total that she picks is 208 kilograms. Just add all those together and check if you wish. Now, she gets paid $2.20 per kilogram, so all we have to do to work out her pay is to multiply the 208 kilograms she's picked, $2.20 per kilogram. And you can work this out. I've done it. She gets paid $457.60 for the week. Michelle's does supermarket work. She's paid $12.80 for normal hours, but she also gets some allowances. Time and a half if she works more than 8 hours a day. Now you can see that on Friday she's worked 12 hours. So that'll count as 8 hours of normal time plus 4 hours of time and a half. She also gets paid time and a half for Saturday and double time on Sunday. Probably the best way to set this out is in the form of a table, so I would do this even if it wasn't prepared for me. Double time for Sunday, she's working 4 hours of time on Sunday. And she gets paid at double time, so we're going to multiply the amount she's worked by the loading. She'll get paid double time, she gets paid double the rate, and her normal rate is $12.80 an hour. That will work out her pay for that double time on Sunday. Time and a half that she's worked was 3 hours on Saturday, and because she worked more than 8 hours on the Friday, that'll be 4 hours of time and a half on Friday. All in all, 4 and 3 is 7 hours of time and a half. The loading is 1.5 times her normal rate of $12.80. And her normal pay that she gets paid for 2 hours on Monday, 5 hours on Thursday, and it was 8 hours on Friday of normal time. 2 and 5 and 8 is 15 hours of normal time. The loading factor is just 1. I've done this beforehand. You might like to check my workings, but it works out 192 hours of pay once you do the multiplications here. 134 hours, $134.40, $102.40, and then of course we add them all together to get a grand total to the amount she works for the week. $428.80. It's her total pay. Next example that we're asked to do concerns earning money by commission. Now, Kirsten is a fashion consultant and she gets a weekly retainer of $120 and a commission of 10%. Now, this retainer is an amount that she gets paid even if she doesn't make any sales. They're going to pay her $120. Then she gets 10% of all her sales. So in part A, if you wanted to work out her pay, she gets paid $120 every week, even if she doesn't sell anything, and then 10% of her sales. So if she makes $3,680, we have to add on 10% of $3,680. 10% of a number is easy to work out, isn't it? So just divide it by 10, so she'll get paid $120 plus $368, a total for the week of $488. In part B, the company is introducing a new pay scheme. This time they're still going to pay her $120 retainer, But now they're going to pay 15% commission, but only on those sales that she makes more than $800. So she's got to sell $800 before the commission kicks in. If she sells 3,680, what we have to do is work out how many extra dollars more than 800. She only gets paid on the dollars which are more than $800. So it's going to be plus 15% of anything more than she earns than 3,680. So it's not going to be 3,680. It's going to be 3,680, the amount by which 3,680 exceeds $800. So that's what we have to do. First of all, work out how many extra dollars she earns. It's going to be 2,880. Now, 15% of 2,880 is, on the calculator, 0.15 times 2,880 equals $432, and we'll have to add that on to the 120 she's already got. Her commission for the week, including the retainer, equals $552. We were asked to comment, would she be better under the new scheme? Well, yes, if she sold this many dollars worth of fashion goods, she would be better under the new scheme.